Yo, what the deal? This your boy X.E.L. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Thank you for coming back. But if you are new here, definitely like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so I'll let you know when I drop another video. Today I'm going to try to do a nice little lo-fi vibe. See if y'all feeling it. Come along with the ride with your boy. Y'all ready? Let's go. Alright, so we're here in Cakewalk. I'm still using my light theme. It's been kind of cool for me, so I've been still using it. Alright, so I'm actually going to be using the Reason Rack Lite, and I actually have this like as a template, so it automatically comes up with my Reason's chords. I have the default labs in here as well for the piano sounds, and I got my drums 808s, and a Serato sampler is the first one on there. But yeah, let's kind of get into it. Let's do some chords. So right now I have it on the C sharp, but you know they say D, whatever that's supposed to mean. But yeah, so I have it on 4 notes. No inversion, but they are open chords. So let's see if we can come up with something. And let's kind of get a tempo going. So I actually have that as a shortcut to my tempo. So I just hit Alt and T, and it'll bring up my little tempo thing here, so I can kind of tap it in a little quicker than clicking all the stuff up there. If y'all want to learn how to do those kind of things, I do have a video showing you how to do shortcuts, so check that out. All right. Yeah, it looks like it wants me to do around that 100 mark, somewhere around there. I'll rock with the 102. All right, so we laid down the melody pretty much for it. So let's actually move along, see if we can add some flavor to it. All right, so what I want to do is actually drag a hi-hat loop over in here just to kind of give it a different groove. And sometimes it doesn't actually do what I want it to do. And all right, so this one is a good example. All right, so if I hold down my Control and Shift, it doesn't give me that option with the double arrows to stretch it. So that's usually how I know. See how it has this double arrow on here? And I can't do that for this. So that means that this is in a groove clip mode. So I need to turn that off. So I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna go up here and to the show hide properties. And as you see, the looping is on for groove clip. So I want to take that off. It'll give you your properties of your actual sample that you actually dragged in there. It also gives you an option for audio snap here, so you can enable audio snap if you wanted to in here and enable stretching and all that stuff. But I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna go back over here to my clip, and now you can see I have my double arrows. So the question is, do we shrink it or do we stretch it? I am going to shrink it. I think it's closer to the 2. It might sound a little fast, but that should be fine. Yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna drag this one over by holding Control and drag. Of course, that didn't work. So I'm just gonna drag this one over, holding Control and then drag. Or I can do a Control and D, and that'll also do a duplicate of the track itself. So now we have all right. I'm gonna bounce this to clip to make it actually all one single loop. All right, let's get into the drums now. All right, so what I want to try to do is actually add some hi-hat accents to it. All right, so we're just gonna add a snare on here. All right, so we have the snares down. Let's go for the kicks now. All right, so nice little groove we got going here now. Just gonna add this open hat real quick. All right, so we have that down. All right, let's add a little perk in here. All right, so we got a nice little groove going on now, man, for sure. All right, so let's add a bass on here, and then we can kind of mess with some more sounds to actually add to the vibe. All right, so we're gonna mess with this S1 bass. All right, so let's actually do a quantize because I'm pretty bad at playing for some reason. Let's kind of turn this on. Let's do 8s. And let's go from there. Whew. All right. I think we might have some here. All right, so let's quantize this real quick. All right, I like that. All right, so let's go. think we got one here. I'm gonna do a control and go down. So I'm gonna highlight all of these. Control number 2 to go down. Octave. All right, I think I like that. All right, so let's mess with the bass a little bit, give it more oomph. All right, man. So all right, so basically right now it should be a pretty complete track. Let's add another instrument in here. All right, so guitar is what we're gonna run with, and let's do this. Let's do a I'm gonna drag this up. I'm gonna copy this, drag it down, and let us do some magic here. All right, so let's do an ARP to this guitar here. I'm just gonna turn it on, the ARP. All right. I'm gonna drop them down 1 octave. All right. All right, so we got the guitars in there now. And what I'm gonna do is actually get it to bounce the clip so it'll actually keep all the ARP stuff in it. So when I move it around, it'll have all the ARP stuff already in it. Gotta add it in there, man. Little sounds. You gotta do it. All right, folks. I believe that's it, man. And you know, now it's just adding your special effects, your flares, whatever you actually want to add on there to give it more grit. Like I'm probably gonna add isotope vinyl. I'm probably gonna actually do some other reverbs and delays and things on there just to make it sound oomph at the end. But yeah, man, this is the end of this one. At the end, you'll hear what I kind of did at with the actual beat itself. But if you have like any questions, concerns about anything I did in the video, definitely leave them below in the comment section. I know I'll get back to y'all on those. But once again, it's your boy X.E.L.O. Peace.